Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. First line, go. My brother goes to school. Second line, read. I read the Ramayana. Third line, walk. They go for a walk in the garden. Fourth line, take. We take tea in the morning. Fifth line, go. Mother goes for a walk in the morning. Sixth line, drink. He drinks water at night. Seventh line, play. The children go to play during the day. Eighth line, shine. The stars shine at night. Ninth line, bark. Dogs bark on seeing a stranger. 10th line, sing. His sister sings a song. Thanks for watching.